Namaste, welcome back to the channel again. So these are my bangs that I have created yesterday and it's looked totally great on me. I think so. So for today's video, from the title you people have already guessed, it is the hairstyle for the round faces just like me. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first one is don't split your hair from the middle, else split it from the side one. In this way your cheeks are covered and your face look smaller. And the second one is making a ponytail, half hair up, half hair down. No. So what you can do is, instead of making a ponytail there, you can create a bun with the half hair. Like this. And the other way is make a ponytail, as shown in the video, but don't make it the tight one. Lose all the hairs. That's it. For the third look, this one is making the braids, and it's a French braids, but don't make this one, else from this side of the hair start creating the braids. Take a thick section of hair, after creating it, lose the hairs, and take out all the baby hairs front of the head, and it will cover the face. That's it. For the fourth look, this is my own personal favorite. When I'm not in mood to hairstyles, then I go for this one. It's making a bun, which I know everybody can. The only thing is that don't make this in this way, else try to create the bun as much as thick and volume as shown in the video. Don't make the loose one. The tight one. Make it loose, because loose hairs are good for the round faces. See the result. And the other look is making a high ponytail, as this one is easy, so we always go for this. But what you can do is try to make the ponytail as much as on the top of the head, and don't make the tight one. Make sure that it is loose. Pull it and then make it tight. Like this way. So here is the last one. It's a low ponytail, and this one is the always go to look. When we are not in mood, we go for this. So it's also the good one, but there is a twist. For the round faces, as much as loose the hair is, it is going to look good on the face, as it will cover the chubby cheeks like this, and it's done. Here is the result. That's it. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, please like, comment, because you people are not doing, you just watching and skipping. Please do that, because this is my new channel and I need as much as comment and like. So please do that, and subscribe also. Thank you.